Hi guys, this is Alina and Karishma from House of Alkara, and we are in our Hummingbird studio. We really want to thank you for this amazing journey that we had.
Yeah, and don't forget, it's a milestone, first year of business, and it has been amazing thanks to you guys.
Without you guys, we wouldn't have been here. We had so many behind the scenes, struggle, fun, journey, travel, and artwork. Of course, our art is what has brought us together,
Yes.
and we are here and we have manifested so many beautiful things based on our art. And your appreciation, your feedback, your encouragement
Means a lot to us.
and where we are is all because of that. So we are going to come back again next year with bright new ideas, amazing new designs, lot of amazing stories to tell you.
Yes, through our products, we are going to take you through amazing journey. So stay in touch and in tune with what's happening at House of Alkara.
Happy holidays!